Taro lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. It's been quite a while since I've been in the truck on my way to the plantation, but I just got off work about an hour ago. It's now 6:15 here in Samoa. The day has been going very well. Temperature wise, it's been quite hot, which is why I'm on my way to the cattle farm to pour some water for the cows and just check up on the farm in general, the Taro, the growth and everything. Also because we've had a lot of roaming cows recently around the village, just also double check the farm for cows if they're stomping all over the Taro. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys. We'll catch you guys soon. So just a couple of weeks back, we had a problem with the four-wheel drive for the car, and I'll show you guys there. So I'm going to show you guys in front of the dashboard and what it looks like. So switching on the key now. Just turn off the air. Four-wheel drive is flashing. Switch on the car. Car is on. So the ABS light is on, traction control is on and traction control off. Don't worry about the door because the door is open. Handbrake is up, but the four-wheel drive is actually flashing as well. So when we actually put it into four-wheel drive, it won't engage, which is why we think there's something wrong with I think the differential. So we'll try and fix that. Alright, so we're actually underneath the car. And when I did come, there was this connection here. This wire had actually split in two. Now I'm not sure how it split. So I was just reconnecting the wire there. But I assumed this was the problem because this wire actually goes up into, it's not clear there. Zoom out a bit. So this wire comes from the front somewhere, comes here and enters on top into the differential, which is why I assumed this might have been the problem, because this is also the ABS wire and some other stuff. So just gonna connect that. I've actually disconnected the battery terminal as well, just because I'm connecting wires. I'm not sure if that'll have an effect on anything. So yeah guys, I'm just gonna get to this and see if it works. So what happened was that the four-wheel drive lights were blinking, and also the traction control and the ABS lights were all flashing on the dashboard. So I had a look underneath. I knew it was probably something electrical throwing up those codes. So had a look underneath the car and found that there was a wire that went into the differential of the vehicle. It was actually sliced in two. So someone actually cut it. I'm not sure if someone cut it or maybe the dogs ate it. So all I did was just reconnect that with some tape and then switched it back on, and the four-wheel drive was back on. So it's great to have the four-wheel drive and the lights finally off.
Alright guys, finally here at the cattle farm. Looks like the cows don't have water. As you guys can see, the soil looks moist, so it means that it probably did rain today. It's still moist, so I think I'm just going to pour them a few gallons. I've called them a couple of times, but I'm pretty sure they're still here, so I've got an assignment for you guys. If you guys can look out for the cows, I'm going to send you guys in, and then we'll see if the cows are there. But see if you guys can spot the cows, and then it'll be job done for us here. Alright, cows' water should be good now. I've still got containers here that are still full for the rest of the week. But here guys, I'm going to need you guys to look out for the cows. So I'm going to send you guys in some bit of audience participation, and you guys will help me find the cows. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for helping me find the cows and around the plantation for any thieves and stuff. But I think I'm gonna head off home. It is getting quite dark now at the moment, so I'm gonna head off home as long as the cows are already got their water, and plus we've also checked the plantation. Everything looks good, so gonna head back home. We'll definitely hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed today's episode. But until then, we'll catch you guys on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you guys soon.